Welcome to YouSound Relaxation with a guided visualization for attracting the ideal bond with your son. Find a comfortable space where you can relax and immerse yourself in this transformative visualization. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs, and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this 3 times. Let the gentle sound of ocean waves transport you to a serene beach setting. As you imagine yourself on the sandy shore, visualize a shimmering protective bubble surrounding you and your son. This bubble serves as a shield, safeguarding your bond from negative influences, energy, and forces. Within this safe space, see your son trusting you and confiding in you with openness and honesty. Affirm to yourself, I attract, maintain, and protect the ideal bond with my son. Our relationship is filled with trust, openness, and honesty. We enjoy personal conversations and shared activities. Our bond grows stronger and more harmonious, protected from negativity. Envision spending quality time together, engaging in activities that strengthen your bond. See yourselves walking along the shoreline, laughing, and creating cherished memories. Embrace the feeling of warmth and love that surrounds your interactions. Visualize your son cherishing your trust and respecting your confidences. Feel the joy of knowing that your bond is built on mutual respect and support. Experience the comfort of your son's obedience and willingness to understand and grow with you. Affirm to yourself, my son keeps our confidences sacred. He is obedient and respectful. Our bond is harmonious and ever-growing, protected from negativity. As you continue to visualize, see your family as a united team, supporting and loving one another. Your son forms a deep and loving connection with his siblings, where they share love and support that is shielded from negative forces, influences, and energy. Embrace the feeling of love and protection as you and your son hold each other dear. Feel the positive energy and strength that binds you, protecting your relationship from any negativity. Affirm to yourself, my son and I love each other deeply and are shielded from negative energy, influences, and forces. We stand together and support one another. Take a moment to bask in the feelings of love, joy, and protection that come with envisioning the ideal bond with your son amidst the enchanting sea. As you gently return to the present moment, carry this visualization and affirmations with you throughout your day. Allow them to guide your interactions and intentions with your son, strengthening the bond you desire. Subscribe to our channel for more transformative content and visualizations. Like and share this video with others who seek to cultivate the ideal bond with their loved ones and attract positive energy into their lives.